So hello there. Today I'm going to cut a resistor in half. So we have here this 1000 ohm resistor, and here this other 1000 ohm resistor, and let's see how we can halve the value of one of these resistors. So to start, let's just stick one of the resistor into the breadboard here, and let's set our multimeter to measure in ohms. Connect it to both sides, and we see that we have 1K resistor with a 1% tolerance. That means 1% of 1000 is 10. So we can go down to 990. So this resistor is in range. Now comes the trick. We put this resistor here in this resistor here, also a kilo ohm resistor, in parallel to the other resistor. See, whoops, that changed. The display changed. Now we have 496.5 ohm, which is roughly a half of 1000 ohm within the tolerance. And this is the simple trick. If you connect two resistors in parallel, the value of the combination of the two will be half of the resistance of a single resistor. So you don't have to have in your household a 500 ohms resistor if you have two 1 kilo ohm resistor. So thanks for watching. If you like, please share and subscribe. Thank you.